Are you ready to see the winter setup?
I'm so proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you. Are you ready?
It's fucking ugly.
Yeah. It's like you have a kid and you just want to kick him from the bridge.
Yeah. That's how I feel like.
Just show them that.
What the fuck is that? Can you hold this? I'm gonna air out quick.
Well, that's a nice party trick.
How do you like that?
Yeah, I like the summer tires more, other rims.
Yeah, they're just a tiny bit better.
Yeah, but it's not so bad, really.
It's not the worst, because the tires are too big.
Yeah, but now I think you will have a much smoother ride with that.
Yeah, that's
setup.
true.